How do you forget the past and become a new person? However, it is possible to make changes in your life and develop new habits and ways of thinking that can help you move forward and make positive changes. Reflect on the past. Take some time to think about the experiences and events that have shaped your life. Set goals for the future. Identifying specific goals can help you focus on what you want to achieve and give you a sense of direction. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being. Seek support. They can offer perspective and guidance as you work to make positive changes in your life. Seek out new experiences. Engaging in new activities and trying new things can help you break out of old patterns and expand your horizons. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you are thankful for can help you shift your perspective and find joy in the present moment. Learn from your mistakes. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes, try to learn from them and use them as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Forgive yourself. It's important to let go of self-blame and self-judgment and learn to be kind and compassionate towards yourself. Practice mindfulness. Paying attention to the present moment can help you become more aware of your thoughts and actions, and make it easier to make positive changes. Seek out positive role models. Surrounding yourself with people who inspire and motivate you can be a powerful source of support as you work to make changes in your life. In conclusion, while it is not possible to completely forget the past or become a completely new person, there are many steps you can take to make positive changes in your life.